Hey guys, how you doing? It's Dr. Kumra. I actually wanted to take a second and answer a question I've been asked 3 times this week already. If I do decide to do orthodontic treatment with you in your office, how many times do I have to come in? What is my appointment frequency? To be very honest with you, if you're compliant, be it diet restrictions, hygiene, brushing, flossing, wearing your aligners, with braces or Invisalign, our typical in-office frequency is somewhere in the 8 to 11 week range. As long as things are moving and progressing along well, when you're in the office, of course, we have checkpoints and want to make sure things are moving the way we want them to. But if you're doing your part, you're coming in probably every other month. Average case is probably taking us 15, 16 months. All in all, you're coming in, what? Rough math, 6, 7, 8 times to get an awesome smile. Guys, we can do that. We can make it an enjoyable process for you, and we can also make sure you get the results you want. If you're thinking about orthodontic treatment, come on by, see what my office can do for you. Please give us a call. Look forward to meeting you, okay?